Refueling equipment before nor'easter hits.
Hey, this is Guido from me and my Honda Shadow VLX600. Today we are refueling backhoe and skid steer. Backhoe and skid steer. Get ready for the snow coming in Tuesday, Wednesday. Be good, be safe. See you later. Hey everybody, just want to let you know what the fuel cell looks like when we refuel up equipment. So we got a fill-right 15 gallon per minute pump on a cell on the back of a pick-em-up truck. And that's it. All right, now we're refilling a WA 320 Komatsu. There's our tank, nozzle. There's our tank. All right, so we're refueling another Komatsu, God bless you, WA 320. So, on this particular one, we can't get the back cowling off because the lock is messed up. So we got to go through there, down there to refuel it. Yeah, and the other thing I had a question, hey, Big Dad and Gary, have you ever seen these little guys loose? Should they be loose? All right, everybody, now we got a big cat. 966K. We're fueling up. All right, now we're fueling up our fuel cell, which is totally empty. And that's it. So our particular tank, we used a fill rate with the 35 gallon per minute, and it was about 106 gallons, give or take.